COVID 19, one small particle has changed our world. As healthcare workers, viruses and infection were very familiar to us. However, with COVID 19, our world changed. The uncertainty stems from our inability to compare the present to anything we've previously experienced. It very quickly spread from China to across Asia and the rest of the world, bringing every activity to almost a standstill, including the Olympics. Disinfection, hygiene, and social distancing entered our vocabulary. How is the patient behavior going to be? Will it change radically? What will hospitals need to change the way they function? We had an announcement on national television. The unusual feeling that there is something big and unpleasant that is coming our way was still sinking in.
मुझे आपके आने वाले कुछ सप्ताह चाहिए.
They say I speak the language. While our patients were scared to visit the hospital, staff were also confused and scared to report for work. There was a lot of uncertainty while at work. The multiple forwards on WhatsApp, the lack of knowledge, and the constant coverage on every form of media left them with a lot of apprehensions on their face. Began unending discussion about the do's and don'ts to be safe from the spreading pandemic. Staff, including doctors, wanted to be sure that they won't put the lives of their loved ones in danger. We quickly realized we were not in a position to envision what the future would be. We knew we had to gain back our staff and patient confidence. Interacting with peers from other industries told us about consumer insights. Customer insights are interpretations of quantitative and qualitative data gathered from feedback and other informational sources to help identify behavioral trends to improve effectiveness of service initiatives. Armed with the insights, we worked on a plan. Ramayana. Yes, the series that kept streets empty during the 1980s returned to Doordarshan. The series broke the record for viewership with almost 77 million viewers as on April 16th. During COVID-19, there was a rise in everything that gave comfort. Ramayana became a way for families to come together and spend time, giving them the confidence. The Ramayana effect. During times of uncertainty, people will look for familiar brands and people for themselves. We assumed our staff and patients would associate our hospital with clear vision, maybe the equipment or surgeries or the results. But we were surprised. A survey made us realize that the first attribute they associated with our hospital ranged from the greenery to the open spaces, to the temple, the Shankaracharya statue, or even the masala dosa in our canteen. We decided to leverage this and circulated a video that rekindled these fond memories. We also used this to remind them of their doctors who had been caring for them over the years.
COVID-19 has changed our world. From moving physically distant to wearing masks to being worried about infection, it has made us uncertain about life. Hospital visits include temperature checks to people in PPE and doctors in masks. It is always comforting at this time to see that some aspects continue to remain as they were. From the vast open spaces to the chirping birds welcoming you, to the sound of the Ganesha temple, the statue of Shankaracharya there to calm your mind, or even the crisp masala dosa you had as you left. Our staff may be behind their face shields and masks as they diagnose, advise medicines or glasses for you, but we will continue to ensure you and your family understand what is needed. Remember, behind those masks are the smiling faces you were familiar with, the professional care you have come to expect, a willingness to help you across your treatment journey, and a yearning to improve from your feedback remains intact. Shankara Eye Hospital Bangalore is your familiar destination for world-class eye care with a social impact. More importantly, the expert care of our surgeons has continued all through this period.
The second insight was the Volvo effect. Volvo cars are synonymous with safety. We realized that safety took a priority during the pandemic for all decisions. We learned from hotel groups of the signages they had put up to encourage their customers, and similar standees in the vernacular were put up. Our eye examination is a process that has various cadres of staff. We then looked at the automotive majors to evolve Spark. Spark became a tool that we used to educate our patients and staff on what to expect in daily functioning. It was a new normal with modified set of solutions. We ensured staff and patients were aware of social distancing, that they were guided and educated at every step and also corrected if they deviated. We relooked at the patient journey to ensure speeding up of the whole process. We scaled up our appointment system to regulation of the patients reporting to the hospital with social distancing maintained at all times. We reinforced our focus on safety through personal protective equipments and infection control practices. Karna, a character from the Mahabharata, was known for his loyalty. The Park hotels throughout the lockdown engaged with their customers with interactive health and wellness sessions, a daily concert on social media, and a targeted emailer campaign. We looked at our residents and patients to engage. Learn from the Masters was a daily live stream lecture that looked at over 36 topics. This gave a chance for those sitting at home to interact with their friends and also their mentors. The How Are You campaign focused on our patients, where our team reached out to all patients we had examined in the past month. We inquired about their health, reassured that we were available for emergency care. We reinforced the need for them to stay safe. Aloknath, yes, Sanskari Babu, the pandemic brought families together. Caring for the families of our team members was important. A video message from Dr. R.V. Ramani and Dr. Radha, our founders, reiterated that we were a family.
It has been several weeks since we have interacted with most of you over here in Shankara. Thoughts on what has happened because of this pandemic, what is going to be the way forward, and how every one of us together we should gather the strength and face the challenge.
This is the major calamity we have seen, and any calamity should teach us few lessons. Usually efficiency is what the effective work you can do in a congenial atmosphere, but proficiency is what you can do when there is a problem, how to overcome it, how to act effectively. Now this is the situation like that. As that everybody is same. It affects everybody, rich or poor, affluent or non-affluent, and any caste, creed, religion, anything. Everybody is affected. So everybody is same.
Origami Creative, a leading branding agency in Bengaluru, had sent chocolates. We looked at increasing protection to our family members. A multi-layered mask was specially sourced and provided to every employee. They were advised to ensure their families wore it when outside. Care instructions were provided through a video on YouTube. At the onset of the outbreak, all cadres lacked confidence. With these multiple interventions, a self-reported survey showed our team becoming more confident in performing their duties in the current pandemic. A study by the All India Ophthalmological Society showed that a majority of ophthalmologists surveyed through the Psychological Health Questionnaire, PHQ was bordering on distress. In a similar structured study, post a fortnight after return to work, the PHQ score in our ophthalmologists was 0.94 with almost no signs of any psychological distress. The pandemic has taught us, even in eye hospitals, insights and learnings from across industries can help increase staff and patient confidence in uncertain times.